Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. So you want to lock your account, you want some privacy, and you don't want your a stranger see your follower list and following list of your profile of your account. It's very easy to do. Just go to your profile right now, tap on your profile, and then tap on three stripes or three lines at the top of your screen, and this is the settings and activity option for you. So here, who can see your content? So you can private your account. Just tap this a option. This is the account privacy feature. So private account: when your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone or on or off Instagram. But when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos, video, or hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following list. So just tap switch to private, and your profile is private now. So feel free to try to make your Instagram account private. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.